In Nigeria and across the continent, millions of dreams are being built every single day. Not inside corporate towers, but in the noisy markets, roadside workshops, and creative corners of our cities and villages. From the welder in Kano, to the fashion designer in Lagos, to the smartphone repair guru in Accra. These are the real engines of Africa's economy that are creating jobs, feeding families, and driving growth from the ground up. Nearly 83% of total employment in Africa is informal, with Sub-Saharan Africa reaching 85%, acting as a major absorber of young labor seekers. The sector continues to contribute over 50% to Nigeria's GDP and constitutes over 66% of non-agricultural employment in Sub-Saharan Africa, often featuring low productivity, high vulnerability, and limited access to credits. For too long, this vital sector has been overlooked, undervalued, and misunderstood. Welcome to AISE, African Informal Sector Economy. Here, we step into the streets and workshops to document their real stories, their innovations, their daily struggles, their challenges, and their enormous potential. Because understanding the informal sector is not optional, it is essential for Africa's future. I am Chidera Okere.
My name is Paul Tinetirem Abba.
My name is Abubakar.
My name is Mrs. Vivian Frederick.
'I'm an artist, so I do sell on flowers, I sell frames, I also sell mirrors and the rest. So let me just say I'm an artist.
I am mechanic, and we are selling also property of Dubai.
I am a baker. I'm into cakes. I'm into events decorations, outdoor events management.
So it has also helped some guy like that came to learn from me. Well, I can say that the guy is doing well now. So it has empowered. I even have some boys that also help me in this business. So it puts food on our table, even shelter.
So the freedom people, some they come, some they go. Even now, if you see, you can see now, just all those things are our boys. This one say also among them, see them, then they learn work for you.
I'm facing a big challenges now. Even self, as before you people even came to me, self, I told customer the price of my frame. He asked me why is it this price. I come they ask him. Will you ask me why is the price like this? If you don't want, you have to price it. The man keep asking me why is the price like this, like he don't know what we are currently facing. The last time I bought a frame on this particular price, then last week I came to buy again. It has add 3,000 more. I do enter bus from this our Dube here to Gosa. So I do enter bus 300 naira, but now it has add up to 400. Sometimes they will tell you 500, but normal price I do enter is 400 naira. So I do carry my younger ones, those under me. We are about 3. So check how much the price will be. So the cost of fuel, it has really affected me, I won't lie. And in terms of buying my goods, so I do pay for weighbill if I'm doing weighbill, so I do pay them 3,000 4,000 for people that are giving me the thing. So they have added it up to 6,000. If I ask them, they will say it's cost of fuel. So all these things are really affecting me, I won't lie.
So the challenge, as you can see now, also the fuel has been increased the fuel, so our work don't dey low now. But before, as the fuel price dey very cheap, so we no get any challenge. But as you can see now, even you see now, the work no dey. See our people here, people sit down there, dey wait for work.
I will say the government have to improve well on whatever they are doing. So they don't have to be doing other things that won't benefit their citizens. They have to, even this part of that is the main reason why something are rising. Because fuel, people that are buying crayfish, if you ask them, they will say fuel. If himself aboki wey dey cut nail, if you put money, if you ask him, go say fuel. So that fuel they should really look onto that fuel issue.
So to bring down the fuel price, because that's where the problem is coming from. If the fuel price drops, then every other thing will drop.
They beg for government, make dem help us bring this price up, fuel calm down. Make the fuel price come down so that people go dey, even no be our work here, some people challenge for about this fuel price. Some people dey challenge about it.
I do sell this portrait on 25,000, but it depends on the one that is selling it. So this one too is also that 25,000, and this one is 20,000. Flower is 13,000. This one too is 13,000. This sunflower, I sell it for 60,000. This one too is 13,000.
Okay, it's just through flour, sugar, egg, and margarine. These are the major ingredients we use for preparing cakes and egg roll. Even though we don't use sugar to prepare meat pie and every other thing, there's sugar in it. It's not difficult. It's a very easy job to do if one concentrates.